Yo, what is up, boys? AJ URBEX here. You already know what it is. We're back again with another video. In this video, we're going to be exploring the Lorton remains of the reformatory, the factory, and the correctional center, all in Lorton. We're going to be taking an early Uber out there. It's currently August 28th. I just turned 11 p.m. And tomorrow, bright and early, around 8 o'clock, I'm going to get up, prepare all of our stuff. Then around 10 o'clock, Ashwini will come over to my house. We're gonna make our way down to the Uber station where we're gonna get an Uber all the way to Lorton, which is gonna take about an hour. So we're gonna record some of that, some of the fun. This is a big exploration and it's going to take a while for us to film. So hopefully the battery does stay up because I'm not sure. As you guys know, we were in the porn studio and I went through about 4 batteries recording that whole entire skit. So this is a lot bigger than the porn studio and we have the same amount of batteries. So I will be bringing a generator with me. Hopefully the generator will help us just in case some of our equipment dies or we need to charge something on the way. This is the equipment we got. We got a respirator and a goggles. This is in case what it would look like if it starts getting really bad, if it's really smelly. But normally we're just gonna be wearing the respirators or we may not be wearing them at all. We got gloves and we got energy drinks and a refresher because you already know it's gonna be early in the morning. You already know this is about to be dangerous. This is a police training ground in the summer, so we have to go now to get this window where there's no police there, but it is technically a police training ground, so it is risky. There are cameras active on site. We gotta watch out for those. We got some maps telling us where to go, where the cameras can see, where the cameras can't see. We're gonna pray that we do not get caught, because if we're in Lorton and we get caught, we are just absolutely cooked. I'm gonna have to hit the hay in a second because it is 11 o'clock and we gotta get up really early in the morning and I want some energy. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Yo, what is up, guys? So it's currently what, 10:30 in the morning. We got Ash, me, and we got our personal Uber driver, James. Oh. James Kim, that is. We're currently packing up all our stuff. We're gonna pack them into the bags. Dang. Then our Uber driver over here is gonna take us to our spot where we're gonna get the Uber. But we'll catch you guys up when we pack all this up and we go on the ride to the Uber. Alright guys, we just finished packing our stuff. This is my bag.
My bag.
Shreen's bag. This is about to be tough. Stay tuned for the Uber.
This is about to be scary, bro.
It's about to be scary, bro. 1 hour Uber ride. So we're gonna update you guys on the way.
Hey.
Welcome back. We just packed our bags. We bought the Uber and the Uber will be arriving here in 5 minutes. We're gonna get a ride to Lorton going. What is up, guys?
We finally made it, bro.
We just made it to Lorton.
That shit was 40 minutes long, bro. I was sick the whole time, bro. I got
Yeah, I was low-key chilling. I was just playing Clash Royale.
Yeah, he was chilling, bro. I was trying to sleep the whole time, bro. Even though I had like that 300 milligrams of caffeine, bro. That shit was not helping, bro.
So our first stop is gonna be the
factory. The factory is next to the military base, right? But we can't go on the military base anymore because it's getting constructed and it might not be safe because there's a baseball field right next to it and there might be people going there. So we gotta be super careful about this. Anyways, you know, I feel way better now with your boy Jude.
Yeah, we're gonna be exploring the first place. So yeah. This is what our setup looks like. We got my bag, got the GoPro in it, the respirators, Sweeney's bag. Just took a quick pit stop. We just drank caffeine, some energy drinks, some Arizona. We're gonna catch you guys when we actually enter the building, so I'll see you guys. Yo, we're on the trail right now. We're walking to factory or the military base. We're gonna check out the military base first, but we're pretty sure that it's gonna be unsafe. Yeah. We got a long 30-minute walk ahead of us, if it is not. So we're gonna catch you guys up some more when we walk.
So I think we're already here. I see cars. There is a fence surrounding it.
There is a 24-hour surveillance thing posted outside of the property.
Yeah.
And a big ass fence, so might not be able to get in.
We'll let y'all know if we can get in or not.
So we're on the path right now. We have to walk to the sidewalk for about a mile. Probably no sidewalk. We're supposed to walk on the sidewalk, but there's no sidewalk here. We went to the military base. There was cameras and a cop parked outside, so we ended up not going in. Hopefully there's a sidewalk upcoming here, but right now we're going to the reformatory. We're gonna check that out.
I'll catch y'all, boys.
We made it to Lorton. We're reading about Lorton right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a photo up on screen now. It's turned into a housing area and art studio. So we're just gonna walk around, read about the history a little bit, take some photos. Yeah. I mean, this place is huge, dude. But we might have to, we might not be able to go to any because there's very high security here. So we gotta be careful. We can't, there's cops on site, there's cameras, it's all redone. It's like a nice facility now. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can go to any of these places. All right guys, so we're now walking down the trail. We're gonna make it to the Dairy Queen. Boys, we just made it to the Dairy Queen. We're walking up the path right now.
So far, things are not looking
good. Not looking good with this big ass fence.
Yeah.
Ain't no fence gonna stop us, bro. We made it to the Dairy Queen, boys. That's our entrance right there. We're gonna do a little scout of that area. So our entrance, we're just gonna really hop through this fence. So we'll catch you guys. We're gonna see you guys when we actually go in. See you. Look at this kid. Good? So, we just made it into the Dairy Queen. This place is sick, but I see a lot of peeling paint and overall this place just doesn't look too well. We're gonna catch you guys up when we actually put our respirators on and enter. So we're in here now. If the audio is muffled, it's because we have respirators on.
So hard to breathe.
I know. Alright, so we've made it to Dairy Queen. So this is maybe, this looks like what cows would be, like something like, shit. Hello?
Jared,
Yeah?
where are you?
In Lorton.
How?
I took an Uber to this art studio. You wanna see some photos?
I love you too. Please be home for dinner.
Dinner, like, bro. What?
Did you not hear the cops? Fucking song.
Yeah? They wouldn't have their sound on for us though. Alright, we're going back in. We just heard sirens.
Huh? Yeah.
These are like where the cows would be, right? Alright, so we're gonna travel further into this dairy farm. Sheena's coming right now. But the thing is, I haven't seen any no trespassing signs. It's a shooting range, remember? There's a shooting. Hunting. What? You good? You wanna come in? We just finished. We're just wrapping up the DQ. Alright, heading out now. Alright guys, we just made it out of the Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
The next stop is the
Prison.
The correctional center of Lorton, not the big Lorton prison, because as we talked about, that was redone, but we're going to the correctional center now. We have a very long walk, about 30 to 40 minutes ahead of us. So we're gonna see you guys when we get there. We're on the trail right now. Look at this view. We have a long trail ahead of us. It's just gonna be winding down this big ass hill. Any words?
Stay tuned and remember, subscribe, bro.
Remember, bro, subscribe. We only do these videos for you guys.
On the gang.
On the gang, bro.
On the day off, bro.
Take this long winding trail down.
40 minutes.
40 minutes, and I'll catch you guys when we actually get there.
Hike.
Alright, boys. We're about halfway there. We've been taking a long hike on this trail. Got to get onto the road right here, and then it's gonna be another mile or two walk. It's hard, man. It's hot out. We're dehydrated. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
But anything for the URBEX, because hashtag URBEX life.
Show the viewers what we gotta walk on for the fucking next 30 minutes, bro.
Holy shit. Starting to walk down the road. It's a one-lane road, so we can't walk on it. Guys, here, this is a trash dump. We're gonna pass by. Big building. We got this tall ass grass we gotta get through. I'm gonna try to cut across. Look at this kid. We're still walking down the one-lane road. Oh, dang.
This shit's been long, bro.
Yeah, we're about halfway there. Gonna walk down. This is only fucking one lane, bro, so this is kind of cooked, but we're gonna try our best because, you know, we gotta get the content. Now it's getting really sketchy, bro. This is fucking tight right here. Hey, John, dude. Yes! Oh, we made it. We just made it to, finally off the one-lane road. All right, guys, we made it to the Lorton Prison. We're right behind all these school buses. This is how we gotta get in. There's the watchtower, so it's very dangerous. We gotta make a run for it. We made it in, guys. Okay, I'm also right under you now if you want to step on me.
Huh?
You can step on me if you want to. Watch the cable too. Yeah, you're good. Ankles. Yeah, good?
Ow, bro.
You get that? Yeah. Guys, this is the main event. Oh my God. Yeah. Holy shit. Definitely. Alright, so these look like the cells would be sideways, okay? Help me, help me. Get the bees off me, get the bees off me, get the bees off me. Fuck. Got stung. There was a hornet's nest. Oh, fuck. Oh shit. Oh.
Wait, did it get under your respirator?
I don't know, I threw my respirator on the ground and then it got under my respirator.
How?
I was fucking screaming trying to take this shit off and wipe myself, and I lifted my respirator up and it fucking stung me in the face. I got stung, bro. But you know what they say? Nothing stops the URBEX. There were probably 50, not 50, maybe 20 of them just crawling on my leg.
Yeah, I know, but I was like, why was you running? I heard the sound, right? I thought.
Alright, I need to do a battery switch. Alright, I'll catch you guys. Holy shit.
You good?
These are asbestos tile. See how they're small? Look how new this shit is. Not much here. You wanna go next one, the smokestack? Holy shit. Holy shit. Is it still recording? Yeah. You wanna go in there or what? There's shit in there from the... What's this? It's just like military shit. We shouldn't go in there. Is it working? Is it charging? Yeah.
That was basically the tour. Damn. It was basically a tour of the what's it called? The prison. Not what I was expecting, but give it like a 8 out of 10. So, boys.
Our time's running low, so we just finished exploring what we could have. Sun's setting. I don't know if you can see it. This was a pretty cool exploration. Definitely scary. Definitely some challenges. Getting stung by a pack of hornets or yellow jackets, but nothing stops the URBEX. Now we gotta go back over the fence. What? What?
Bro, went right in.
Should be easy, because you have the bar to stand on. We sadly gotta leave. Unfortunate. What? We're not going back for that. I'm not going back for that. You're never finding that in there. Sweeney just lost his earring. Bro, you're not finding a tiny ass earring in all this shit. I hope you know that. Alright guys, so we just made it out of the Lorton Prison. This dumbass dropped his earring, so he's cooked. He's trying to look for it, bro, but I hope bro knows he's not gonna find an earring. Now we gotta get an Uber back. We gotta probably walk a little bit because we're still on government property. I can show you guys. This is the entrance. So we're gonna have to make it out of here. You find it? Oh my boy.
But when I was taking off my ski mask, I lost my right earring. It's fine. Just get another one, but this is why you should always, actually, this is why you should never wear earrings while urbexing, bro.
Exiting. One hell of an adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna vlog our trip back. You already know it's AJ URBEX, bro. I'm Jude.
Ash.
And this was the Lorton Prison. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys. Yo, what is up, guys? We made it back home after the 50-minute Uber.
That was one hell of experience, bro. Subscribe,
guys, so we can upload more videos like this.
Yeah, you can see we're both very tired, bro.
Yeah, this was exhausting. We walked
So
like 2 hours. So, but it was fun in the end. We didn't get caught. We stayed safe. Thank you guys very much for watching. More videos to come in the future. Comment down below what videos you want to see next, what places we should go to next.
Hashtag URBEX life. And hashtag AJ URBEX in the comments. I'll catch y'all, boys.